Welcome to this video on USB-C hubs, the essential connection bridge for engineers, electricians, and the modern home. Understanding the basics of USB-C hubs means recognizing how they expand one single port into a universe of possibilities for connecting peripherals. The science of connection includes power delivery, or PD, supporting up to 100 W while using other ports. It also involves DisplayPort Alt Mode for transmitting 4K video signals. The anatomy of a modern hub includes legacy USB-A ports for older equipment. Ethernet, or RJ45, provides stable, high-speed internet, and storage slots offer quick access to SD/TF cards. For the young engineer, USB-C hubs enable a multi-monitor workflow with dual 4K displays. They also provide high-speed data transfer up to 10 gigabits per second and a simple peripheral chain. Field electricians benefit from connecting serial adapters, thermal cameras, and wired testing tools while devices charge via power delivery. Durable aluminum builds are job site ready. For home simplification, the USB-C hub is the ultimate decluttering tool. Connect your laptop to a printer, external drive, and home TV with just one cable, creating a full desktop workstation. The power standard for high-performance use is 100 W maximum power delivery. High-performance laptops require at least 85 W of pass-through power under heavy computational loads. When comparing bandwidth, we see a massive leap from USB 2.0's 480 megabits per second to USB 4 and Thunderbolt's 40 gigabits per second. Ensure your hub's rating matches your device's capabilities to avoid bottlenecks. Use this buyer's checklist. Match the port count. Choose aluminum housing for heat dissipation. Look for durable braided cables and verify 4K monitor support at 60 Hz. Remember, proper connectivity is the backbone of modern efficiency, whether in the lab, on the job site, or at home.